Turanga Leela, better known simply as Leela, is the strong, smart, one-eyed, purple-haired mutant space pilot of the Planet Express ship in Matt Groening's Futurama. Where did her name come from? Well, the name Leela is a tribute to the Fourth Doctor's companion on the classic BBC series Doctor Who, like the Leela in Futurama, was an alien with a complicated past. The name Turanga Leela comes from Olivier Messiaen's 1948 rather quirky symphony, Turanga Leela Symphonie, written for the Boston Symphony Orchestra. Fans of Futurama may think Leela's purple hair and Cyclops' eye are her only mutations, but au contraire. In The Beast with a Billion Backs, we learn that Leela has spikes that grow out of her elbow skin, lovingly called elbow talons, which she trims regularly. She also has 205 bones, one less than the normal human being. A few more Leela nuggets. Her parents first appear on screen 2 years before they were formally introduced as characters. In Season 2, you see her folks briefly in the background scene during the episode I Second That Emotion. But it's not until Season 4, in an episode called Leela's Homeland, that Leela makes an incredible discovery about her true heritage. She's a mutant, not an alien, and she meets her parents for the first time. It's actually a rather touching episode. And finally, the show is known for hiding tiny blink-and-you'll-miss-them jokes throughout, including some rather punny puns. For example, Leela lives in apartment 1I. Get it? One eye, one another? Her official officer's code is 1BDI. That's 1BDI. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full drawing lesson on Leela from Futurama and hundreds of other videos.